Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto exchanges are basically the same, but the surprising truth about Inch Crypto Exchange is that it combines simplicity with advanced trading features in a way that's rare for newer platforms. When I first signed up, the interface was clean and easy to navigate. You can deposit fiat currencies or crypto directly, and the verification process is straightforward, usually completed within a day. This makes it beginner-friendly, while still supporting advanced users who want detailed charts and order types. One feature that stood out is Inch's fee structure. Trades are charged a flat percentage, which is competitive compared to larger exchanges. They also offer staking options for certain coins, allowing you to earn passive income without moving your funds elsewhere. Security is another key point. Inch uses industry-standard cold storage for most assets, two-factor authentication, and withdrawal whitelists, which gives peace of mind if you are keeping significant funds on the platform. However, there are some things to consider. The platform's liquidity for less popular altcoins can be lower than big exchanges, so trades may take longer or execute at slightly worse prices. Customer support is improving, but response times can vary during peak periods. In conclusion, Inch Crypto Exchange is a solid choice if you want a platform that balances ease of use with professional-grade tools. It's especially good for people looking to start trading or staking without jumping straight into massive, complex exchanges. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews to help you trade smarter and safer.